Missouri jacket.
What's up with that shirt?
Bride of the Animator. Look at all these shirts. Isn't that crazy? House of Terror. Motel Hell. All these Halloween shirts. Starship Troopers. Look at this Slayer shirt. Slayer's crazy. Seems like somebody dropped off all their band shirts, but I don't know. I can't even read them. Texas Chainsaw Massacre, like a new age print. Immortal, 1x1, 2006. What's this one? This one's crazy. The Last Ranger. Ghost. Geez, somebody just dropped like, look at all these graphic shirts. Like a skull. Actually, I'm gonna put this one back. This one's not that best. Look at this, The Exorcist. New Age. I have no idea what any of these shirts say, but hopefully I can look them up. Pro Player, Kansas City. Vibra's J Balvin. And then the Weekend Madness Tour. Thank you.
I bet this your car. This your car right here?
Those doors slide. Get on the end of it. So we're now on the corner. Hold on. Oh, the back there, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's it.
The prices, look, $20. You have to check. They're expensive today.
Oh, okay. Let me see.
$20 for a pair of Crocs. Pretty sure these are fake, but look at these. No. Look at these, brand new. Christian Dior's. This, we got this.
You like that one?
Okay, well, definitely a t-shirt day. To start off, somebody definitely dropped off all of their horror, like reprint horror shirts, but they actually sell for like 20-30 bucks. We have the Exorcist. Which one is this one? The Last Rager. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Hotel Hell. We have the Jason. We have the Bride. And then last but not least, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. We did pick up this movie t-shirt on the M&O Knits. Abide. Big Lebowski, whatever, however you guys want to pronounce it. And then on this pile is all, it seems like band shirts. I can't, it's really hard to read, but it seems like it's all, you know, like hard rock concert. But I'll show you guys all the shirts we have here. We have this Ghost shirt, Immortal 1x1. This one I can't even read, but Supreme Authority on the back. This one, some are single-sided, some are double-sided, but I'm gonna have to look up Throne of, yeah, I don't even know. But some of these could be worth a lot. This Slayer is crazy, made in Honduras. Slayer, sadly, oh, it is double-sided. 2011, 2012, sadly, it's a newer one. But figure we're getting these, they're $2.49, half off, so we're paying $1.25. This one's super sick. I think I might keep this one for myself for Halloween. The graphic on it is just so nice. And then last but not least, we do have this one. So I just wanted to show you guys what I was getting when I was digging through the purses. We got this bootleg Gucci purse. I'll probably just cut it up, or I'll just sell it at the market for like $5. We ended up paying $1 for it. We got this Kipling, nice little side little messenger bag. We found another Kipling, little smaller one. Has a gorilla on it still, the monkey. We found this bootleg Louis Vuitton backpack. It does need some cleaning. It has like some peeling and whatnot, but I'm gonna use this as a custom piece. We found this brand new Coach, still has the price tag inside. I got this mainly, I'll probably give it to like an aunt for Christmas or something. Same with this red Coach bag. It's really good condition. Seems like it was barely used, so I'll just give that to you know, family members, either a cousin or an aunt for Christmas. Found this really nice Rag & Bone purse, which I will resell. Rag & Bone is very expensive. This will probably resell for about $100 or so. Then we found these brand new in the dust bag shoes, H.O. Hogan with the pink, brand new. Found this brand new little designer clasp. It's from Neiman Marcus. And then we got a brand new Victoria's Secret with the little wallet, original price tag $68. So that was all the stuff that we got in the purses. And then like I said, you did see the bootleg Dior sneakers. I'll just throw them on offer up for like 50 bucks and see if someone wants to get them locally. And all this is just clothes you've seen. So now I'm gonna quickly edit this video, throw it up, and then just start listing stuff. Today is Sunday, which is usually my day off, but I'm just gonna list a bunch of stuff. Tuesday we are going to be going to a pop-up as designer, Palm Angels, Montclair, stuff like that. So I do want to get a little extra spending cash just in case I find something, a jacket for Colorado. I just booked my trip for Colorado for next month. We're going to be going a week. I'm going to bring Captain. I'll be vlogging everything. I'll be showing you guys all that too. So stay tuned for that. Other than that, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at DITR954. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let's get it, guys.